Creative Crambo back with another one.
Yeah, so I bought this solar powered light purely to light up the door on my shed. I'm forever fumbling around with my earphone, putting my light on, trying to find the lock to try and put the key in, and just need something to light it up. And yeah, I've chosen this. It's a LED integrated cool light on the light. It has 530 lumens of light, 30,000 lifetime hours, obviously solar powered, 6 to 8 hours on the charge time on the solar. It's rainproof. It also has a PIR plus photocell sensor and 110 degree detection on that, with a 10 meter range, and it also has 3 light settings. Yeah, so I was going to position this up where my door is, just so when I walk out there it's all lit up, and I am going to get my phone out, put my light on, and try and find the lock and open the door. So, you know, looks pretty good. It's not a bad looking light neither, must I admit. It's got a wide solar panel there as well. So yeah, we're going to give this a go. Hopefully it works. And yeah, I think it looks pretty good. It comes with instructions. You just follow the instructions through there. I mean, every light's different, but this one, I think it's just a matter of turning it on. You've got 3 functions there. You can do like I think the highest setting is 530 lumen, then you've got a 240 lumen, and then you've got a preset hold 60 lumen on that one. So it's got 3 settings on there, which is good. But yeah, let's put this to the test, and I will show you now exactly where I'm going to be putting this. Yeah, so this is the door I want to light up. Want to be able to see me lock there and my key. Okay, and I was just going to position that light somewhere around there in the middle of that brickwork, and then hopefully I've got enough light to see the lock down there. So let's go for it. We'll just roll these out. Okay. Quite hard to see where the plug is there at the back, but I will get it. Yeah, we got it. Okay, so lights on. All I need to do now is let that charge up. Hopefully that gives me enough light to see the lock there as I'm walking through. So yeah, and the light looks really good. yeah, so that flashing light you see there now is the new light I bought to light up the keyhole to my door. And what it's doing now is setting itself, and then it goes off, and then I have the sensor on there, so when you walk out it lights up. Hopefully that's got enough charge in it to do that. But that flashing what you see there is just the light setting itself for the sensor. It should go off in a bit. I've been waiting for this moment till it gets dark. It takes a little while to set itself, but then when it sets itself, it goes off. Yeah, definitely got to clean those windows. Mind you, I've got the Karcher now, so you know, easy job. If you haven't already, yeah, I have done a Karcher versus a traditional video. There we go. That's lit up. Now she's off. Okay, yeah, so it's pitch black now. When that light went off, that has activated the sensor. I'm going to walk out, I'm going to sneak up on the sensor, and let's see what that light there shines out. There you go. Nice and bright. Superb light there coming down. And I bought this light to get into the lock there with my key. That works perfect. Shines down on there. Also as well, I did say it's got 3 settings. That's the brightest setting there. All activated. Well pleased with that. Also as well, it'll light up your alleyway or your front drive or something like that. Absolutely well pleased with that. Okay, yeah, so I just want to check one more time on the sensor, as you do. There you go, nice and bright. Caught my movements straight away there. That is absolutely excellent. And like what I said at the beginning of the video, I just want to shine that light down onto my lock so I can open my shed door. Nice and bright, like I said, the 3 settings. It's got the photo sensor as well. To be honest with you, this unit now is going to work absolutely brilliant for me. And that thing there won't even cost me 1 penny to run. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.